Want to learn anything 10 times faster? There's a science-backed formula that works for any skill. Combined with AI, you can speed it up even more. No hacks, no fluff, just proven methods and how to put them to work. Let's break it down. Most people waste time learning the wrong way. They passively read, watch tutorials, or highlight textbooks and they think they're being productive. That's not learning. That's pretending. Cognitive science has shown again and again that passive review does not lead to lasting learning. Real learning comes from three things: active recall, spaced repetition, and deliberate practice. Let's go through each and how to actually use them. The first rule: don't just look at information, try to retrieve it. Your brain learns better when it struggles to remember. That effort strengthens memory pathways. It's called active recall, and it's one of the most powerful learning techniques ever studied. Here's how to use it. After reading or watching something, close it. Try to write down or say what you remember, thinking about main ideas, key points, and examples. Then go back and check what you got right, what you got wrong, and what you missed. Flashcards work great here, and you can save a lot of time using AI to generate flashcards for you. Just upload or copy paste an article or transcript and have ChatGPT generate the key questions for you. Boom. Instant active recall system, and with the time you save, you can study more. The next rule: spaced repetition. This isn't about reviewing more, it's about reviewing at the right time. The brain forgets on a curve. Review too early, waste of time. Too late, now you've forgotten everything and have to waste time learning the same thing again. Spaced repetition hits that sweet spot, right before forgetting happens. And this is why active recall is so important. By strengthening your memory pathways, you make the forgetting curve less steep. Use tools like Anki, the classic, RimNote, and Brainscape, or simply prompt ChatGPT like this. Create a spaced repetition schedule for these flashcards over the next 60 days. Then paste in your flashcards. And just like that, you've automated your review cycle with AI. Another great thing about spaced repetition is that you can continuously add new material to the rotation without having to spend more time studying. The intervals between reviews of older material get further apart, giving you room to add new material. Now the third element: deliberate practice. This isn't just doing something over and over. It's practicing with clear goals, focused attention, and immediate feedback. Break your skill into chunks and practice each chunk with full focus. If you're not sure how to break it up, ask AI for suggestions. It's great for brainstorming. Then get fast feedback. How? It depends on the skill. Again, ask AI for suggestions if you're stuck. Learning public speaking? Record yourself and compare it to experts. Or prompt AI to critique your writing. Here's a paragraph I wrote. How can I improve it for clarity and tone? Or, here's my code. What edge and corner cases should I be aware of? I can't overstate the importance of feedback. The faster you get it, the faster you grow. Now here's a pro move: interleaving. What is it? Instead of repeating the same thing over and over, mix related topics. For example, if you're learning a language, don't just study verbs for an hour. Alternate between verbs, nouns, sentence construction, and listening drills. Why is this effective? It forces your brain to constantly adapt, which leads to deeper learning. Use AI to mix things up like this. Generate a mixed practice quiz combining grammar, vocab, and reading comprehension. You'll retain more and get bored less. Now here's the real cheat code. AI puts all of this on steroids. With the right prompts, AI can build your study plan, generate flashcards instantly, quiz you, break down complex concepts, provide real-time feedback, and track your progress. Let's say you want to learn data analysis with Python. Here's how to apply everything you just learned. 1. Start with a goal. Let's say you want to be job ready in 90 days. This gives you a timeline. 2. What is your current skill level? You know basic Python and very little about data analysis. 3. How much time do you plan to put into learning? You have 4 hours a day on weekdays and 6 hours on weekends. 4. Use AI to generate a roadmap with weekly milestones. Try a prompt like this. I want to learn data analysis with Python. My goal is to be job ready in 90 days. I have 4 hours a day on weekdays and 6 hours on weekends to learn. I currently know the basics of Python and know very little about data analysis. Create a 90-day structured learning roadmap with milestones, resources, practice tasks, and projects. Outline key concepts and list resources I can use to learn them, and pair the practice tasks and projects with these concepts. Now that we have our roadmap, let's create some flashcards. In week 1, it has listed chapters 1 through 3 of Python for Data Analysis by Wes McKinney as a resource. I'll pull up chapter 1, copy paste it into ChatGPT, and ask it to make flashcards formatted for Anki. You can have your flashcards formatted for the flashcard app of your choice. And now we have spaced repetition built into the curriculum. Of course, you should actually read the chapters too, but this is a great way to create review material. To incorporate deliberate practice, work on mini projects with specific skills in mind. In week 1, it wants us to get comfortable with arrays and to practice creating and manipulating arrays. We can drill deeper on this with another prompt. Give me 10 practice problems for array creation and manipulation with NumPy. Increase the difficulty and complexity with each problem. And now we have a set of tasks targeted to specific skills that we can use to practice deliberately. You will want to get feedback on your solutions. Paste your code into ChatGPT, Claude, or Grok and ask for improvements and explanations for these improvements. Remember interleaving? Mixing things up by alternating between arrays and vectorized math operations can be even more effective. Track your progress and adjust. If you are struggling with array manipulation, ask for more practice problems, examples, or explanations. This is not a random approach. This is how you actually learn fast, backed by science. Want to 10x your learning speed? Don't guess, don't wing it. Use what science has already proved, and let AI do the heavy lifting to implement active recall, spaced repetition, deliberate practice, and interleaving. See, you don't need talent, you just need the right system, and now you can have it. Be sure to subscribe for more AI-powered learning strategies and start learning like a machine.